Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 model car of new Mercedes-Benz GLE mid-size luxury SUV by Mercedes-Benz, and I bought this model from Mercedes India official online store. So if you want to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description of this video. And the model looks really nice, especially in this shade. It looks more realistic. So if you're not already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_ for daily updates. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.